Hi! So I did a order for ColorCast because Heba from my little journal has got me thinking I need all the things from ColorCast designs. And so we're going to open it together. I didn't order a whole lot. I ordered enough to find out. And I think I'm in trouble. Oh my goodness, look how much you get. It's pretty cool. These are like, look like wood. Is that what it's supposed to look like? It's just supposed to be white. I think it's supposed to be white. That's probably just from where they cut it. Yeah, okay, anyway. That's cool. It's a nice little bundle. White, black. And then I got over here green. It's like a dark green and a see-through green. And then white. And it looks like a blue. Oh my goodness, look at that blue. Oh my goodness, look at that gold. You can't see it in there. Sorry, guys. Okay, there we go. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay. So those are like the little sprinkly bits. These were the May ones. I don't remember. But I got the sprinkly bits to match this. So let me move this out of the way. I didn't get a whole lot of stuff, but... And then I got the cameras because I just adore cameras, just in general. But those are so adorable. I love them so much. I'm wondering... Yeah, okay. I guess it's really hot when they cut them, huh? And this is the wood veneer one. The wood veneer, that's what I was wanting to see, is the wood veneer is supposed to be really skinty for Traveler's Notebooks, which is one reason why I don't use wood veneer in my Traveler's Notebooks. But things about to change. I got this one that says Love Me, because I just thought it was adorable. Probably use that on my wedding album. Ooh, maybe, maybe not, don't know. Oh, and this one was the Right Now. You ever order stuff and then just completely forget what you ordered? Yeah, this is happening right now. Today, enjoying. Oh, that is cute. Oh, and these look like they have adhesive on them already. That's cool. Exploring, watching, wearing, savoring, loving. But this Right Now piece is too adorable. Look at that. Oh my goodness, I love that. 2 pieces. Okay. And they come in a conveniently packed, or a convenient little package, because they're all the same size. So that's cool. Oh, and then the piece de resistance. I fell in love with these when I saw them. And then I thought, my goodness, what the heck would you use them for? It's for a Traveler's Notebook, though. And then you just get the rings to go in it, I guess. But I have to go back and watch Heba's. I think she did one. And you could just line the paper up and put holes in it. You don't have to have like this would be your covers, I guess is what I'm trying to say here. So, and these are all cut when you order them, is what the website says. So it takes a little longer to get them. Is basically, if you order these, it takes a little bit longer for your order to get here. But I ordered this probably a week ago, week and a half maybe, and I mean I got it, and there was a holiday, so not too bad, I wouldn't say. These are adorable. Let me... I have no clean paper. Let's see, I got a piece of foam here. Yeah, so you put a little paper. I wonder... I know I looked at the measurements. Yeah, so 4.5 by almost 8.5. Almost. So yeah, that's perfect. I like it. I like it. I like it. So I was trying to wait for my citrus twist, but that seems to be held up somewhere. So I'm waiting on that to come in because I also have, I purchased a warehouse box to go along with my kit this month. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that is a quick little colorcastdesigns.com. And I guess they come out with new stuff every month, because this one was, I'm almost positive this was July's, like sprinkly bits. This was May's, hence the green, because I think that's May's birthstone. I don't know. Don't quote me on that, and don't quote them on that either, because they didn't say that. Anyway, yeah, I just want to give you a little bit more of a close-up of these sprinklies. Get tons of them. Oh no, come back here. And you get hearts and little asterisks and stars. Yeah, and different sizes, obviously. Very cool. I tried to go with neutral, but this green, I don't know what it was about the green. It was like, buy me, or either I was just wanting to spend my money. So anyway, so hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.